at least for the last 7 months that I have been doing calligraphy every day, people tend to scribble things down instead of writing them down. There's no conscious attention paid to the writing aspect. In this video, we will answer to the question, does calligraphy improves the handwriting? So watch the video if you want to know if this is a myth or a proven truth. What's up everybody, still Handwriting here, and in today's video we are talking about, does really calligraphy improve the handwriting or not? I will tell you my opinion of this. We will exactly look at how it affects our writing and whether there has been real improvement in my writing. A little later in this video I will give you a few bonus tips how to improve your handwriting. So stay tuned. Before we jump straight into that topic, please make sure you've subscribed to the channel if you want to choose what you want to watch. So let's get started. Okay, it might improve the steadiness of your hand, but won't necessarily make you a better everyday writer. Writing a lot does help a bit. So if you are talking about calligraphy as a neat writing, it will eventually start bleeding into other writing if you do it enough. It helps you concentrate on forming letters. If you are really diligent, it will help you improve your handwriting. Most of what you do slows down, and that's often where you improve. People tend to scribble things down instead of writing them down. There's no conscious attention paid to the writing aspect. Once you can make that, you can make the progress. I guess if you are dealing with a different font than black letters, such as copper plate, you may notice an improvement for your handwriting. I can't tell you from my own experience on this, but based on the research I've done, it depends on many things. It depends on how much attention you pay to the letter spacing, writing slowly and currently, etc., so that your handwriting improves. And as I promised you, now I will give you some bonus tips of how to improve your handwriting.
Analyze your handwriting.
To analyze your handwriting and better understand the beautiful game of handwriting, write a paragraph or two on a paper by copying some text out of a book or from your phone. The more you write, the more you are able to see more patterns, good or bad. Take a time, but also try to write at your pace. Write more. As we know, we all live in the information era, and we are tend to stick to our computers and phones when writing notes and emails. Our hand muscles for writing and drawing are going unused. Muscle memory is important for anything we do, even writing with a pen or paper. If you don't have a regular practice, you are going to have a harder time to writing neatly. Tell me, do you handwrite regularly or do you use your mobile device to take your notes? Please let me know in the comments below. Let's continue with the number 3.
Look at the spacing.
The distance between your words and your letters helps determine the quality of your handwriting. There should be enough space between the words to fit the letter O. Using more or less space than this can be an indicator of poor handwriting. Pay attention also to the closeness of each individual letter. Cramped writing or letters that are spaced far apart also are difficult to read. Determine your flaws. Considering all of the aforementioned, what is it that your handwriting needs in order to improve? Possible changes can be made to the shape of letters, your spacing, alignment, writing size, line quality, and the slant of words. Changing one or more of these will overall improve your handwriting legibility. And last but not least, consistency. And yes, I know that many of you have heard that many times and sounds cliché, but believe me, without consistency, nothing will be achieved properly. Consistency is the key. Not just about that, perseverance will help you in the long run. Then you will be grateful to yourself. No matter what style you practice of your own handwriting, whether it's cursive or not, you want to find a set of letter styles that you like to write and that they look good together. Practice with various of slopes and angles, heights of your letters, roundness of your letters, etc. Once you start to see a style pattern in your handwriting, practice the same letter over and over again. Literally, fill one page with A's and another with B. So one page with letter A and another with letter B, until you start to feel comfortable. Can you guess what is the next one? I will tell you. Practice. The thing you probably know and you should know is practice makes perfect. Yes, exactly. Taking 10 to 15 minutes each day to write neatly can vastly improve your handwriting. I can't stress how important regular practice is. If improving your handwriting looks short to you, try to make it fun. Here I will give you some examples. Start a daily journal.
Write letters to your friends.
Tell me, who does not love to receive handwritten notes? Take notes while reading a book or listening a podcast or educational YouTube video, like this. Here I will give you a little bonus tip from me. Use a pen which is comfortable to you and relax your pen while writing. Do not overstress your muscles. So my personal opinion is, at least for the last 7 months that I have been doing calligraphy every day, that this has not helped me to improve my handwriting at all. It is still so ugly. Maybe because I'm in the black letters world. But as I said, it depends on many things. I do not notice any improvement, so if you want to improve your handwriting, you can follow the steps that I shared with you. Hope it will be useful. Please, if you find that video useful to you, please subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos. If you enjoyed this video, then you probably enjoyed this video, so if you click on the screen right now, you can go and watch it. Thank you for your time. See you later.